Yesterday was the start of an active weather pattern that's going to bring us through much of the next 8 days. There's a chance of rain somewhere at some point every single day moving forward for a while. So it's basically getting into that springtime feeling, that springtime activity that we're going to be dealing with going forward. At least from what we had yesterday, there's really only a little bit left over, and that's this one little shower that's moving through northern Lawrence County, not really doing much. In fact, it's probably even evaporating before it hits the ground. There's still some dry air out there, but you can see the cold front, or at least what's left of it, basically just stalling out right over the region. Warm front behind it is going to start to lift north. But despite that, temperatures are still going to be a little cooler throughout the day today. So don't expect to hit 80 like what we did yesterday. Today is more likely going to be about 70 in the afternoon. Still, though, mostly dry other than the few showers that we have going on right now. This is all that we collected yesterday with rain. And really the last 24 hours, it's been a couple of hundredths of an inch. And in some areas that had a little bit stronger rain, or maybe one cell that moved over had some heavier rain, a few tenths of an inch. Over a quarter for Moorhead. So going forward, what's going to happen is a couple of lows are going to get close to us. This is the first one, and throughout the day tomorrow, it's going to bring in, or at least the morning tomorrow, bring in a better chance for rain. The second one behind it brings in the best chance, especially as it taps into some Gulf of Mexico moisture and some instability. So that's going to bring in showers and thunderstorms going Thursday night into Friday morning. Now, we do have a break between this series of storms and the next one that's going to set up over the weekend. So we have high pressure that builds in. That's going to clear out the clouds by Friday afternoon. If you're going to the last day of Keeneland, it'd be a good one. Although there will be some showers around in the morning. As we go throughout the races, things will the conditions will improve. But over the weekend, we do have that next series that'll come through, and more showers, more storms. You get the picture. Let's go ahead and put the future track into play, show some timing on everything. Warm front lifting, so that's going to bring in showers basically in southern Indiana and southern Ohio while we keep dry conditions, although there will be clouds around most of the day. Maybe a few showers before the initial line comes in, but there's your first batch of stronger rain, and that gets here late tonight. So you've got most of today, even with the cloud coverage, to get out and enjoy yourselves as temperatures warm up nicely. And there will be some sunshine around, but not much. Definitely not what we had yesterday. Either way, a better day. As we go throughout the evening, showers roll through. Thursday starts off mainly quiet, but by the evening, that's when things start to get a little bit more active. Some strong thunderstorms, especially moving in right over the bluegrass, at least for the early part, and then the cold front will slide in as the low wraps around, and it's going to bring in more showers, more storms as well. So we're very active Thursday into Friday morning. The amount of rain has actually picked up just a little bit. Now we're looking at 1.25 inches up to about 1.5 inches in a few spots with this system coming through. So yeah, rain today, rain tomorrow, but really, I mean, you've still got some time to be out there, especially Friday afternoon if you're heading out to Keeneland. After that, though, active weather continues through the middle of next week. More news after the break.